Alright guys, we just finished this install. This is what it looks like. We got your line sets coming this for refrigerant into the coil. You got your condensate lines. You got your dampers. Zone 1. The Zone 2 damper. The plenum over there. Got your safety box. More drains. Flue. Here you got your control zone. Instructions. It's American Standard furnace. American Standard. Horizontal. We got 2 returns. Ducting. They're gonna remodel the ceiling so it'll come up at some point. That's why we left it kind of long. But for the most part, this is what it looks like. Drain lines going out. Install right there.